welcome back to your girl channel. Welcome back, and your girl is back with another video. Okay, this is gonna be a really quick video. It's just me reviewing some liquid lipsticks from my friend Alicia. I want to say she has a total of 7 shades. I only got 4 of them. I haven't ordered her newest ones because baby girl is selling out like hotcakes. Okay, these are the 4 shades that I will be showing you guys, and a little rundown of her business. So again, her brand is called Ig-buddyacosmetics. It is named after her brother that passed, so that is very, very, very sweet. Something different, something that you don't see very often. And all of her lipsticks are named after family members, like her sisters, stuff like that. So they're all unique names. And so it's like, again, I say it's something very different and something you don't see a lot. So changing the game, baby girl. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. For all the colors, I'm just gonna line my lips with the same color. It's just a lip liner from NYX, and it's called Ever. I'm just gonna line my lips real fast, and then I'll start jumping to the colors. So this first color is called J Bear. All her lipsticks smell so good, like candy. The video is very long overdue. I was supposed to record this after I ordered them and got them, but I had to re-record because I was just showing you the lipstick, they were out of frame and you couldn't see, so we get it. I will insert the other ones that she has somewhere on the screen. I'll insert the other colors that she has, the ones that I don't have, that I need to get my hands on. So I'm pretty fast, and they're not like those dry your lips out liquid lipsticks, and they don't crack. I can't stand a liquid lipstick that just gets all hard and crusty. These are very soft, they're almost buttery, so they're very soft, and there is no color transfer, so they do wear very well. This one's just a very everyday color, and again, this one's called J Bear. This next one is called Pat. Called Noonie.
wreck you.
I am in love with these lipsticks, and like I said, come on, honey. What is that though?
I said, bitch, where?
No, yeah, no, that's not for me. Like, no transfer. You know what I'm saying? And I would still feel really soft. And you don't feel crusty or like crunchy, anything like that. And it wears very well. Eating, drinking, you know, all that. And like I said, I will leave our information down below so that you guys can go get you some, because like I said, she is selling out of these lipsticks, y'all, like that. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And again, get y'all some of these lipsticks because you're missing out, just so you know.